to each and every one of you. I trust that you are doing well. This is Dr. John David, Chief Market Strategist, and also leverage pro trader here at JD100X. Now today I want to quickly, first of all I want to congratulate JD100X, JD100X mentorship program. Those of you are part of the mentorship program, especially the Pro Inner Circle, and also the Jumpstart Masterclass. Now I've been hearing a fantastic news of your testimonial and how many of you are hitting that 80% win rate above. I think that is just fantastic. I have a testimony here from Vincent. Vincent, I would like to congratulate you for sending me this testimony. And you can see, you can read this testimony later on when I put up in the group. Just imagine, to be able to achieve 97.29% win rate, and you can see that the total position size, the number of orders is around 200. And he achieved that 97.29%, in terms of the win rate. I think this is a unbelievable, unbelievable result. Congratulations, Vincent from Rwanda. Vincent has been with me since batch 1, in 2022 and up to today, and he's still with me, until the end of this year. Now this is going to be exciting, That's why those of you who are part of the Jumpstart Masterclass, please take note that you have the opportunity to upgrade later on, and you can be part of the Pro Inner Circle. And most of the time, by the time you are part of the Pro Inner Circle, you might already actually made all your return on all your capital, and you probably also would have made all the profit. So those of you who are watching me right now in the YouTube, or you are watching this video from the Telegram group and so on, now please take advantage. Batch 11, batch 11 is enrollment is ending by just another 2 days, just another 2 days. So on the 5th New York time, I will basically end the enrollment. There is no longer extension for this, and there is only 3 spots left. And you know me, because of the quality attention that I want to give to the student, I only take 20 people into every batch, and there is only 3 more spots left. So please make sure, check the description box below this video, and if you are really interested and you want to grab this 3 spot that is left, make sure you do it as soon as possible, because by tomorrow midnight, this opportunity for batch 11 will be closed. And most probably I'll be only doing one more batch, which is batch 12, and that will be the last batch for this year, and there is not going to be any more intake for this year. So I will stop doing Jumpstart Masterclass. I'm just doing a favor, because I want you to be able to to take advantage. Please take note, please understand, this is a $450 worth of program. I'm only giving it to you at $150. So you have to jump into this and grab it, with 2 of your hands, because you will never be able to get this kind of value that we are offering here at JD100X. I want you to know that sincerely. And the amount of value, the amount of information, the amount of insight, and the amount of even the predictions of the market that are so accurate is basically adding significant value to the team. So please take note. Now once again, I would like to give a big shout out, to Vincent, from Rwanda, for such an amazing testimony. It's just awesome to be able to see so many testimony that is coming in, and how their life, come on, just imagine to be able to be in this kind of country, and you are able to have access to this high income skill, strategy, JD100X, and you can trade at the comfort of your home, no matter what the situation, the economic, and you can still generate income from your home. I tell you, this is just amazing. Now with the economic situation that is worsening and things are just collapsing, imagine your best opportunity to be able to earn crypto, right? To be able to earn Bitcoin, stack up Bitcoin, stack up USDT, so that when everything collapses, you are going to be able to see the transfer of wealth, and you're going to enjoy, a millionaire status, right? That is what we really want to see happen to you, right? So, congratulations, Vincent, over there, right? Let me just quickly get back to the market and show you, what is really happening now. This is a PacWest bank, all right? You saw that yesterday when FOMC meeting ended, right? In the FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve, okay, Jerome Powell mentioned the bank is okay, everything is fine, but please understand, okay, probably what has been said and what is really happening in the background is different. Immediately after the FOMC meeting, we heard PacWest is asking for a help. Look into PacWest. They have actually their whole share. All right, the market has dropped significantly. This is a past 24 hours. They are basically down by 43%, and PacWest Bank is now calling for an help. They are calling for a bailout. They are looking for people who can actually buy this bank. Remember, JP Morgan just bought Republic Bank. Okay, Republic bank that is actually just collapsed. Now PacWest is asking for the same help, and I believe, right, this is not just going to be one more bank. There's going to be a lot more bank, okay? And because of this, right, you can see what happened yesterday. If we get back to Bitcoin, okay, what happened yesterday was amazing, right? What happened yesterday was amazing. All right, let me just show you exactly, right? So you can see we saw after the FOMC meeting, right? During the FOMC meeting, look at that jump, okay? Bitcoin went all the way, right, to about 29,400. That is it. And then today we just saw, right, market begin to move up, and now as market opens, right, the stock market opens, look at that dump that is taking place, all right? Look at that dump that is taking place. Now this is a massive opportunity if you are part of JD100X, because you know exactly, actually, those of you who watched that video yesterday, right, I've already told you that we could expect market to go about 29 to 30,000. Isn't that true? Alright, if you watch that video again, okay, you can see that I exactly told you that market is going to go up, and then it's going to be a major dump there. Now, why this dump is taking place? Okay, let me just bring you back to the daily chart. Now, as I mentioned, right, you have to be very attentive here, that at this moment, now we have this level which is 30,500, and we have this level which is around 30,000. So 30,000 to 30,500 level is a strong resistance. All right, the reason being is that historically, okay, these are the level, all right, where basically the buy and sell is taking place, the supply and demand, and you can see that every time it goes up there at 30,000 or about 29 to 30,000, you can see a massive sell-off over there. So this is where a lot of the profit taking are taking place at this moment. The whales are basically selling because the whales know, okay, that the market is going to go down. All right, now if you look into this 1 hour, all right, into this 1 hour candle, this candle doesn't look good. Now, if you are part of JD100X, I've already taught you how to read the Heikin-Ashi, the price action Heikin-Ashi candle. Now, if you are able to read that candle, you understand what I'm trying to tell you. All right, now this is the reason why you have to be part of JD100X, okay, in order for you to be able to learn how to read, okay, this chart. That's the reason why I know the future. We know the future as a team. So that is the reason why we know exactly what is going to happen. So you can see that on the daily candle, this is not good, okay, because we have this tail, and also we can see that there is a pressure from the seller itself, all right, seller. And this pressure, okay, this is what I expect to happen. All right, this is what I expect to happen. We expect to see a red candle appearing tomorrow, all right, the next day. And if this red candle comes down, that is it, okay, we are going to go down. All right, we are going to go down. So you have to watch, okay, the scenario over here. There is at least about 70% probability that market is going to go down. Now, when I say go down, where are we going? All right, this is the target level. All right, the next target for the market is actually to revisit 27,000 support level. And if this level couldn't hold, then we are going to go down to 25,000. All right, now please understand, this is where we're going to see the FUD. FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. As the market begin to go down, it's going to create a lot of fear, and we're going to see massive sell-off. All right, now people ask me, am I bullish or am I bearish? At this moment, right, as I mentioned to you, 70% I am still bearish, and I'm still adamant with my $10,000. all right, with my $10,000 ceiling base price. Okay, so this is the base price that I believe, all right, that I believe personally. Okay, I'm not saying that other people will believe that, but this is just my own hypothesis. I believe the market has to go down to around the 10,000 before we can actually see a fresh organic bull run. At this moment, what we are seeing is not an organic bull run, it's just reaction. Alright, it's just reaction. That's the reason why, if you want to know whether it's reaction or not, if it goes up, it comes down, then this is what it meant by reaction. That's what really happened. With FOMC meeting, you can see the reaction, right? Every time something happened to the bank, you see the reaction. Alright, so these are just basically a reaction. It is not real organic move of the market itself. So I want you to understand that. So I want the market to actually go down to 10,000. You know why? Because if the market can go down to 10,000, alright, 10,000. Let me tell you something, guys. Listen to me well. This will be probably the last chance for any one of you who are listening to me to become a millionaire. When the market goes to 10K, is your last chance to actually acquire Bitcoin. Alright? So please listen to me well. Okay? Even if you start to acquire now, is fine. Keep acquiring. And then when the market drop, keep acquiring. When the market drop, buy some more. When the market drop, buy some more. When the market drop, buy some more. This is what we call a DCA. Alright, so keep doing DCA. If you've been attending my classes, you know what is DCA. I've already taught you my strategy, alright, how I do DCA, right? So please follow that and keep buying Bitcoin. Keep buying Bitcoin. Or if you want to buy USDT, keep buying that, okay? It doesn't matter. Because when the price moves to 10,000, that is your day, my friend. That is your day to buy at 10,000. Buy the dip. That is it. Imagine. From 10,000, we have a massive opportunity for Bitcoin to go up, all right? Massive opportunity. Even if Bitcoin get up to 30,000, imagine you have already made 300% profit. Imagine if the market goes further up to 100,000, you have made 100% profit, my friend. Now, this is going to be massive. This is going to be a massive strategy. I hope if you are listening to this video, you are watching this video, I hope, okay, you will be learning something here. Okay, this is so important. Now, so this is basically what I really anticipate things to happen. Can the market go up? Yes, the market has the potential to go up. I'm not saying it cannot go up. It can. But to stay at this level is where the challenge is. And if the market really goes up, the market has to go beyond 30,500, and the market have to stay there for at least 5 to 7 days to consolidate before the market move upside. All right. So this is the biggest challenge for Bitcoin at this moment, with the regulatory sentiment, with the economic situation, you know, with a lot of these uncertainties, okay, that is taking place, and with US basically regulating and removing a lot of these crypto companies outside of US, moving away this company outside of US. This is creating a lot of uncertainty, and this is going to be a massive challenge. And also we have the empty gox. Remember, as I mentioned to you, we got the empty gox sell-off that is coming. Number two, we have US government still holding, okay, massive amount of Bitcoin that they have confiscated. They are waiting to sell it. All right. Then we also have MicroStrategy that is planning to sell some of their holding of Bitcoin. Now, all these things are going to add up to a significant drop in Bitcoin price. So you have to be prepared. Okay, be prepared, okay, because this is a massive opportunity. All right. So when the market goes down, it's a massive opportunity for you to buy and acquire Bitcoin. Okay. So I hope this will give you a significant insight into the market. So now, market has been going up, right? Market has been going up. All right, so you saw that how market went up. Okay, so we have, if you are part of JD100X, you know what I'm doing here. All right, we have directions over here. So we look into the direction of the market. I teach you how to read the direction, because if you can read the direction, you have already won 50% of the market itself. All right, so as I mentioned to you, look into this 1 hour. This 1 hour doesn't look good, all right, because of the tail. So we could basically see market coming down. But nevertheless, as I mentioned yesterday, there is still room. All right, there's still room for the market to go up, and thereafter we could see market actually coming down hard. Now, if we look into the 6 hour, all right, at this moment, 6 hour already weakening. All right, can you see that? Yesterday it was pushing all the way up. It went all the way to 29,400, and today we saw the lowest. Okay, the lowest it has come down so far is around 28,019, and now we are seeing roughly the consolidation taking place. If we get into the 1 hour, you can see, all right, this is when the stock market opens at about 9:30 a.m. New York time. We saw the dump taking place. Can you see that? All right, so this is important insight. Can you see? So this is how you're going to analyze. You're going to learn how to look into the market, and I'm going to teach you how to analyze. Now let's go into 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, you can see that. All right, basically we are seeing some kind of consolidation. Market is coming up. So I want to show you very quickly, okay, what has happened to my trade over here. All right, you know that a lot of these things that I'm doing here is very, very transparent because I want you to learn. Now, yesterday, if you watched the video that I've shown to you, all right, those of you who couldn't watch the video, don't worry, I'm going to put in the description below. All right, so get to the link and try to watch that video so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So I was teaching you about equity stacking, right? Equity stacking. All right, equity stacking. All right, now this is a powerful way to stack when you are trading. All right, so you know that I actually basically put up $5,000. All right, $5,000, and you can see that today, okay, this is a today's result. I've already made another $316 profit. Now, this is amazing, right? Can you just imagine that? All right, this is an amazing profit. Now, look at it, okay? Well, how many percentage is that? That is 300 over 5,000, okay? That is a massive, massive profit. Now, I'm going to show to you, I've just closed the trade that I was holding, all right? So you can see I've just closed this trade, a BTC trade at 125x. This is what I call leverage. All right, the speed of making money. Leverage is the speed of making money, the speed of becoming wealthy. Okay, we don't have time to wait 10 to 20 years, guys. All right, you don't have the time to wait even for 1 hour. Okay, we go in there quickly and we get this money. So the speed, this is the speed of making money. All right, so you see that I've actually profited $128 with this trade. All right, and then I've also closed an Ether at 100x, and I profited about 26, and I also basically closed another Ether earlier, all right, at 100x, that is about $76. All right, so you can see, okay, all these dates, okay, you can see all these dates. All right, these are the 4th of May, which is exactly today, okay, today. So now you can see that is the reason why I've actually made around $316. Okay, so as I taught you, right? So while we are trading here and you make the profit, the only way that you can realize and you can be really, really satisfied with your earning is that you have to transfer this. Okay, this is what we call equity stacking. So you're going to basically transfer your earning, okay, from the futures account into the spot wallet. So how do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Okay, those of you are not part of JD100X, this is bonus for you. I know you are watching, okay, but you're going to learn more when you become part of JD100X because there is a lot more to this. Okay, this is just to give you some idea, okay, what is really happening in JD100X. So what do we do? Okay, simple, right? You can see we have a transfer button there, a small button there. You just tap on it. It brings me to this page. Now at this moment, right, it is basically saying that from spot to futures, right? I don't want to do that because I have now made money in the futures. So I'm going to now shift that, right? Can you see that? Tap over here and you shift it. So you can see now when I shift it from the futures, right, is where I made the money. I want to now transfer to the spot wallet. So I have about 5,316, and I'm going to basically transfer my profit, which is 316. All right, 316. All right, and I'm going to transfer this amount into my spot wallet. Now watch what happened here. I confirm the transfer. That is it. So when I confirm the transfer, now I have my 5,000 back. So if I get back into, you can see over here, right? I have my equity of 5,000 back. So where is my 316? My 316 now is sitting in my spot wallet, which is my pure profit. So let's go into my asset wallet. All right, so in this asset wallet, you can see I have a total of $8,729. Now, please understand, okay, I started this with $1,500 capital, and currently this has grown to $8,729. Now, you calculate the percentage of the profit here, all right? And this is roughly about 5 weeks. All right, a 5-week results, guy. You can do this, okay? You can do this. You can learn and do this. Now, as I mentioned to you, so where is my spot wallet? Here is my spot wallet. Can you see that? And this is basically my futures account. So I maintain my futures account $5,000 to trade. Now I have already accumulated a total capital, okay? A total profit of $3,725. Can you just imagine that, right? Now, can I withdraw this to my external wallet? Yes, I can withdraw this to my external wallet at any time. All right. Now, can you see that if you are able to do this, okay, and you can transfer your profit each time into your spot wallet, this is what we call equity stacking, you're going to feel like so happy, right? Every day you are actually generating profit. Now, this is just awesome, all right? So I hope this will be, all right, a fantastic proof, okay, or evidence for you. Those of you who are watching me today, you know that exactly what is really happening here, but this is just exciting, right? Now, this is just one platform. We have a few other platforms that we are using to actually generate profit. So when you become part of JD100X, the Pro Inner Circle, you will be learning all the other platform too. All right, now let's get back. Okay, let's get back here. I want to quickly put a trade over here. So before I put a trade, I just want to go and have a look again at what is really happening on my 3 minutes. Okay, can you see that? So I have actually taken the profit, and now I'm just waiting for the market to basically return back to this overbought area. All right, overbought area. And now, I'm going to basically place a trade. Okay, I'm going to place a trade. I'm going to buy down. Okay, I'm going to buy down because at this moment we know the direction is down. The market is clearly basically a selling off is taking place, right? So I'm going to basically buy down. So let me just put that trade in front of you here so that you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, and there are a few other things that you need to learn in terms of how to read the candles and so on, right? So we have a tail over here. So that simply means between 3 to 6 candle, we could see basically market coming down again. All right, market coming down again. Now this is important. Look into the volume. The volume is coming down. So we could see basically market began to turn around. Okay, so we could see a reversal taking place very, very soon. So this is where, right, patience is so important. Okay, when you are trading, patience is the key. All right, so that's the reason why we always wait, and I always tell you, right, in waiting money is made. So never rush. Okay, never rush to make the money. You will be able to make the money. Just wait for the right timing. All right, it's all about time, my friend. If you understand time and you wait at the right time, you know how to read the market, you know the direction, that is it. Okay, that is it. Okay, so that's the reason why you'll be learning the 4 warrior move, right? The first is that to decipher the market, understand the direction. Number 2, perfect entry. So perfect entry means you have to wait for the right time to enter and also to exit. All right, so that perfect entry will help you to actually generate significant profit. And once you have already made the profit, take the money. Okay, that is the third move. Take the money. Right, many people are greedy, right? That's why they keep losing. Okay, when you see a profit, a significant profit, take the money. All right, take the money and then you reposition for war once again. These are the 4 warrior moves that you're going to learn, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to make that happen. All right, so now you can see over here. All right, I'm going to basically buy down. So what I'm really waiting is I'm waiting for the next candle. Okay, for the next candle. If that candle is red and it is going down, that is it. I'm going to basically go and buy down. Okay, so now this is exciting, right? This is just exciting to be able to learn a new skill, to be able, this is what I call an high income skill. All right, and high income skill. So I'm going to get back to BidGet over here, and I'm going to get, okay, my fund ready. So you can see I got $5,000, and here, right, and here we're going to trade on market. All right, on market. And you know that we are basically doing a cross margin. Okay, we are not doing an isolated margin, a cross margin. And you're going to learn more later on. Okay, now I'm going to adjust my nominal value here, which is actually 1%. Can you see that? 1%. So 1% is only about $13. Can you see that? 1% is about $13. So let me increase this. Okay, now one thing that you need to really understand, okay, sometimes, right, this is what I call a startup position. Okay, a startup amount or startup quantity, right? A startup is basically is a small amount, okay? So you don't have to really go in so big when you are starting up a trade. A small amount is like basically to test the market, right? So I'm going to put in 1% over here, all right? And I'm going to look into my 3 minutes. All right, so let's see what happened here on the 3 minutes. So this is so critical, okay? Some people are really rushing into the market. They are rushing to trade. Now, never rush, okay? Never rush to trade, all right? You have to always wait for the right timing, okay? Wait like a wolf, okay? Wait like a wolf, okay? Because we are trading on 1 minute, and this is a high intensity trading. So you don't want to rush, okay? You want to get into the market, and that is it. Okay, get into the market, stay there, okay, between 5 to 10 minutes, take the money and get out, okay? So that's what is trading all about, okay? If I get back into 1 hour, I still have a down direction there, so I'm going to wait for the 3 minutes candle to turn to red, all right? And then I'm going to go in to buy down, okay? So just watch what happened here. All right, there you go. You can see the next candle has appeared, and this candle is weaker, right? Can you see that? It is now weaker, all right? It is now weaker. So this is where, all right, we will get, okay? This is where I get ready to actually enter into the market, all right? But I want to wait until this candle turn red, and that is it. That is my cue, all right? Can you see that? So now I'm going to go in there and buy down, all right? So I'm going to go in there and buy down. All right, so you can see that, okay? I've just bought down, all right? And I'm already seeing a profit over there, but I'm going to wait, okay? I'm going to wait for a certain significant amount of profit before I even close this trade, okay? So you can see over here, I have about $11, all right? $11 margin over there, and my margin ratio is very, very small, all right, which is only about 0.14%. So that simply means I have a massive room to manipulate this market. And how to manipulate the market, you'll be learning, okay, directly from me, and I will teach you how to manipulate the market and take advantage, okay, so that you can actually win every trade, okay? I will teach you how to win every trade, okay? So this is going to be exciting. There you go. You can see that I've entered this trade just about a few minutes, right? Waiting for a few minutes for the market to come down in my direction. I already have about, you know, close to about 20% profit here. All right, so I'm just going to show you, okay, exactly how I'm going to close this trade. So just imagine, right? This is about 20%. That's about $5, right? $5 profit. All right, just a very quick in and out, right? You identify the direction, and now I'm just going to close this trade in front of you, right? So that is it. All right, that is it, okay? I can keep doing this again and again and keep taking the profit, okay, as long as I understand the direction of the market. So this is why the direction of the market is crucial, okay? So if you can learn this strategy, if you can learn JD100X, this is a unique strategy. This is not something like you learn a leverage from a contemporary a website or from contemporary traders and so on. No, these are the strategies that I've actually built for many years, a strategy that has been tested, you know, for many years. And this strategy I'm going to share with you so that you too, right, can learn how to generate significant profit, okay? So this is exciting. So if you're interested, okay, as I mentioned to you, we only have another 3 more spots left, okay, 2 more days to go. Make sure, okay, you check out the detail of the link, and in that link there'll be all the information you required. And please quickly, okay, lock your space so that, and I'm going to see you on the 10th. All right, on the 5th, this will be officially closed, and on the 10th will be the first masterclass workshop for the batch 11. So I'm going to see you on the 10th, all right, for the masterclass workshop itself. All right, so with that, I trust that, okay, this video has been, you know, the content of this video has been informational, has been entertaining, and at the same time, I trust that you are able to learn a lot of things, right? So this is going to be exciting, guys. This industry, this crypto industry is an exciting industry. My only advice to you is that get involved, okay? Get involved, all right, and learn how you can leverage, okay? It's all about timing. If you are getting in now is the right time to get in, okay? As as the market goes down, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down to 10,000. And you know that is going to be an appropriate strategy, a right time for you to come in. Because when you start to come in and acquire Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin, even if it is a small amount, it doesn't matter, my friend. All right, it doesn't matter. But as those of you who attended my courses, you know that our goal is, and those of you who are part of my JD Wealth Maker, our goal is one Bitcoin, one family. All right, one family, one Bitcoin. That's all you need. All you need is just one Bitcoin. If you have one Bitcoin, that is it. Imagine if that Bitcoin is $100,000. Imagine if one Bitcoin become $1 million. Many of you will be financially free. You can pay off your debts. You can completely be free financially. You know, I think that is our goal here together at JD Wealth Maker. Right? So, God bless each and every one of you. Okay, we will catch up once again in my next video. God bless you all.